With payroll configured, the next step is to give each staff member a payroll profile, their salary and pay details. We open staff profiles under payroll. No one has a profile yet, so we add our first, for Ada Okeke. We click Add Profile, pick the staff member and enter her annual gross salary, 6 million naira. We add any tax reliefs she qualifies for of rent, loan interest and group life insurance. Then her full bank details, bank, account number, account name and sort code, which payroll uses to pay her. And her statutory identifiers, her tax ID, tax state, pension PIN and fund administrator, and her NHF and NHIS numbers. We also enroll her in NHIS, so pension, NHF and NHIS are all on. Then we scroll through the completed form and save. Ada now has a complete profile. We add a second, for Bola Adeyemi, on 9 million a year, filling in all of his details the same way. Each profile holds a gross salary, but payroll needs that split into the components we set up. We click Apply Structure to break every salary into basic, housing, transport and the rest, by their percentages. Now we open a profile to see the breakdown, the gross salary split into its components, and the statutory deductions the system will apply. We scroll through the whole view. Both staff are now ready for payroll, their salaries defined, broken into components, and linked to their bank details. In the next video we create and run the actual payroll for the month.